What is two APs have same difference, same difference. The difference between their under term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000 terms? Next we have been also 1000 terms. What is let AP1 is equal to what is that? AP1 is equal to A plus D, A plus 3, 2D, so on. A plus 2D, so on. Another AP is equal to what is that? Next change it to B plus D and B plus 2D, so on. What is the difference here? A plus D and B plus D is equal to how much is given? 100 is given. 100 is given only. Each same difference is given. Have the same difference. Then what is that? A plus 100th term. 100th term. 100th term is equal to 100th term minus 100th term. Then 100th term. Here it happens 100th term means A plus 99D minus bracket of A plus B plus second one is B plus 99D is equal to 100. This is the then if you take out the brackets 99D, here the minus sign will be changed here. Minus B minus 99D is equal to 100. Then 99D is cancelled. We get 99D is cancelled here. A minus B is equal to 100. A minus B is equal to 100. This is A minus B is equal to 100. Next one is in the same way. Similarly, here AP is, you know that 1000th term. 1000th term minus 1000th term minus 1000th term. What is 1000? A plus 990 minus bracket of A plus B plus, that is B plus 999D is equal to 100. Here also that is 100 is given. Then what is that? A plus 99D minus B minus, here this minus will be changed in bracket. Minus 999D is equal to 100. Therefore 99D and 99D is cancelled. A minus B is equal to 100. Whatever the AP is, we get to same common difference. Common difference. Have you understood or not? Do simultaneously along with me. Call them other also if you have time. Call them other also. Next problem I am going to write on board. I didn't write as next problem. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? 11th question. How many 3 digits? How many how many 3 digit how many 3 digit numbers are divisible by 7, are divisible by 7. Look at this problem. It is very, very important problem. Look at it. Look at clearly. What is there? What is divisible by 7 means? What is the 3 digits number start to? 3 digit number start at 3 digit number. Write down simultaneously at house also. 3 digit number starts at 100 and 4 digits number start at and 4 digit number start at digit number. Write down number start at 1000. Here 1000. We have been asked 3 digit numbers are divisible by 7. First 100 by 7. It is not divisible. Later 99 by 7. Later not. 101 is not divisible by 7. Later 102 is not divisible by 7. Then later 102, 103 is not divisible by 7. 103 is not divisible by 7. Next 104 is not divisible by 7. 105 here 7 ones, 7 threes. It is divisible by 7 1 7 7 threes. Divisible by 3. What is the number? It is the AP. 13 is the A is the 13. Here A is the 13. And next what is there? Next 1000 is there. You will have to do 1000 means 4 digits. That's why we will have to write 3 digits. 999 by 7. It is not divisible by here. Next 998 by 7. It is not divisible by. Next 997 by 7. It is also not divisible by. Then 996. See at it. 9 by 7. 7 ones 7. 7 fours 28. It is also not divisible by 7. 995. 995. Whether it is divisible by or not. 9 by 7. 7 means it is also not divisible by. What is that? 995. 995. Next you will have to observe at 994. 7. 7 1 7. 7 2s. 70. It is divisible by 7. Observe it. That is 994 is divisible by. Exactly 994 is divisible by 7. 995 is divisible by 7. Then it is 994 is the AA, last number. So AP is formed. AP is formed. 13 after how much?
7.
13 plus 7. 20. That is 20, 27. And then
Sir, 13 and after 15.
13 after
105 by 715.
10. Sir, okay. ఇదేంటి 105. Next
sir, అది 15, 13 లాస్ట్.
105 it is 105 plus
15 sir, 13 లాస్ట్.
105 plus how much? 7. 105 after how much?
sir, అలా మీరు 105 రాసిన.
Year 31. 105 it is.